This is Novo Television Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium.
Yep.
Sundowns 2, Kaiser Chiefs 1. What's happening here?
Give the points. Points. What's the next door?
Yeah, how's it, Bitogwa?
no,
I see you wearing Amapogopoko. Were you supporting Kaiser Chiefs or Sundowns today?
I was supporting football today.
Football.
Thank you.
So football won.
Yes, football won.
Yeah, how do you feel about the game today?
The game was good.
Yeah.
First half, Chiefs struggle. They score goals. Second half, they take sometimes they take one out. You see, you know, if you take this one out,
Yeah.
another team will come back.
Yeah.
Kojara Sanders out of there. So Chiefs, Odor Chiefs Sanders to see Williams. He saved beautiful goals for
Number one goalkeeper.
Number one goalkeeper.
Yeah.
But I want to come to fans for Chiefs, man. I don't know. Referee do mistake. He sent the center.
Yeah.
We throw things at the stadium, and it's wrong. Now, when they ban us, you're going to cry.
Exactly.
Look, Nabi come.
Yeah.
The coach they say they love him too much.
Yeah.
He said, do that. You don't know school. He
said-
do that.
Yeah.
He do like that.
He doesn't know score, nothing.
They throw to him.
It's a,
I don't know, man.
yeah, no. Let's hope that maybe in future, because a lot of supporters, they said no referee that. But,
Yeah, that's true.
we don't promote throwing bottles inside the stadium and all that. But hopefully, next time they're gonna learn from this.
Yeah. Today referees look good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, he killed the beautiful football for South Africa. I don't know why he never give the Chiefs that goal. You know, he do mistake that side.
Yeah.
Now
you wanted him to balance the game. Yeah.
Now you don't want to pass the game. You ruin how many people there? 85,000.
Imagine.
You did mistake of the support. Man, this referee is
That's wrong,
wrong, man.
Let's hope that maybe SAFA and PSL will sit down with him and maybe try to talk to him not to do or repeat the same mistake.
Yeah, they must not suspend him.
Yeah.
We want him. They must show him the mistake and learn. If you suspend him, he won't come and do it.
Same thing,
But if you can see this year, all the stadium will go to full. The referee must come right. They must do the right things.
Exactly. Yeah.
If it's goal, give the team goal.
Exactly. Yeah.
If you will you do mistake for another team, you give the goal on offside. Give another one on offside.
Exactly.
It's manners.
Yeah.
Now you're doing three things wrong.
That's a
And it's
problem.
bad, man.
Very bad.
Yeah.
Let's hope next time you're gonna win. So do you think you're going to Richards Bay? Do you think you're gonna win that match?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were there, man.
Yeah.
I know
Way.
the team is not coming back.
Yeah.
You know why?
Yeah.
They go next door.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're going to stay there 6 days. They're the only.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we played there.
We're playing what? Amazon.
We play tomorrow, Richards Bay.
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday, MTN8.
Oh yeah. Saturday. Oh, you're not coming back.
I want to come back.
All the best, my brother.
Before you go on, but gentlemen,
Yeah.
let's want us keep a second.
Yeah.
If you want this, go to Novo. Look at it. We love you.
We love you, Mtogwa. Thank you very much.